cook is hot. Ooh, she's on fire. Hey, she's on fire. Yup, she's on fire. The cook is hot. Hey, the cook is hot. The cook is hot. The cook is hot. The cook is hot. Hey, the cook is hot. The cook is hot. What? She's on fire. She's on fire. Hey, she's on fire. The cook is hot. Hey, the cook is hot. The cook is hot. Ooh, she's on fire. Hey, she's on fire. What's up, Homeylu's, homies, homeboys? Make some noise. Hey, homegirls, make some noise. Y'all know that the cook is hot. The cook is hot. Hey, the cook is hot. The cook is hot. Hey, the cook is hot. She's on fire. She's on fire. What's up, homies? Today I want to talk to you guys about negative Nancy, whiny, windy, basically your energy zappers. We have to learn how to protect our peace. Yes, protect the peace, honey. We have to learn how to do that, and we have to learn how to stay away, avoid the negative energy and the people that zap your energy. Like, have you ever been in a good mood? You were happy for whatever reason, you just woke up in a good mood, and then it's like a certain person just walk in a room, and all of a sudden you feel anxiety, you feel stress, you feel like worried. That's an energy zapper. Sometimes just seeing a person's name pop up on your cell phone gives you anxiety. You don't really want to answer because you already know. These are your negative people that zap the energy away from you. I want to tell you there's different types of energy as far as dealing with friends or relatives or what have you. You have situational depression or anxiety or stress. Situational, I say that because it could be because the person is about to make a new purchase. They may be stressed. Or you have a person that just got into a new relationship and they don't trust the person, stressed out, wanting to talk to you about it. A person that's going through a divorce or had a death in the family, something like that.
They just need someone to, a shoulder to lean on, so to speak. Those are not energy zappers. Those are your friends that you just like want to be there for them. You know that this is situational. It's going to go away after a while. You want to give them pep talks. You want to uplift them. You don't want to kick them while they're down. That's not cool. Not cool at all. These people, I say they're in situational, like bad energy. And it's for you to try to rub some of your positive energy off on them. Just be there for them. Eventually, they will get over it. Now, when I call energy zappers, these people negative all the time, 365 days out the year, 24 hours, 7 days out the week. I mean, they just walk in the room and all of a sudden you just stressed out. Just stressed, and you don't even know why you're stressed. It's that person, the energy zapper. It's like Negative Nancy. For every solution, she got a problem. How about that? Every solution, she's got a problem. You try to give her some advice, nah, that ain't gonna work. Well, honey, maybe if you did, nah, I don't feel like doing that. Well, if you try, then girl, go. Because I'm an advisor. I give unsolicited advice. If you're not gonna take it, go. Because you're stressing me out. I mean, seriously. Then you got your little whiny Wendy. Oh my God, just complain about everything. Everything. I mean, she could, like, a nice blue sunny day. Oh my God, the sun is too shiny. Look at how blue the sky is. Ugh. Girl, if you better go on. Yep, come get her. Because you don't even want to talk to these type of people. It's like, just talking to them takes all of your energy and it puts you in a bad mood, and then you take it out on your poor little dog. No, I'm just joking. If you have a dog, don't ever take things out on a poor little dog. Poor little dog just want to be hugged. Yeah, I was talk about these negative people. Get them from around you. Protect your space. Protect your energy. Like when they call, be busy. Oh, hey, girl. So, girl, let me call you back. I'm busy right now. Click. You know, you see a name on the call ID. Don't answer. They try to hit the little block, you know, not to show they're done because they're trying to get through to you.